How is it going, guys? It is Lightning here again, and showing you guys my rare Pokemon card collection. Start this out, we have base set Charizard, Giratina EX Full Art, Ho EX, Entei EX, Mewtwo EX, Pokemon Catcher reprint, Zapdos reprint, Palkia and Dialga Legend Bottom, Electivire FB Level X, Dialga, Suicune, Rayquaza, however you say it, I don't care. Groudon from Call of Legends, Infernape Level X promo, Giratina Level X, Arceus Level X, Charizard G Level X promo, and Zekrom EX promo. The third page we have Slowking from Neo Genesis, and then the rest are base set hollows. Machamp, Poliwrath, Hitmonchan, Chansey, Gyarados, Poliwrath, Machamp, and Gyarados again, sorry. Another Entei EX, Reshiram Full Art, Ampharos Prime, Typhlosion Prime, Promo, Misty's Tentacool, Articuno, Typhlosion from Neo Genesis, Moltres, Kangaskhan from Jungle, Kabutops from Fossil, and Vaporeon from Jungle. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Lightning, and just subscribe.